Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I got this great big feeling. Everything's going my way. Ooh, look at him go. Well, look at this. The grass is nice and green, except right here. What's the deal here? I was going to check this out the other day, and I thought, no, because the landscaper was going to come, and I wanted this to be all dry so he could cut the lawn. And look, it's just drying up right here. Now, what could be causing that? I have not checked this out yet. And my guess is this sprinkler head right here is probably clogged, or it could be another one that's not spraying out far enough. There's another one over here. Let's turn the sprinklers on, and oh, there it is over there. I'm going to turn this on manual, and see, I'm just going to leave it on auto, and I'm going to turn this advanced manual on, and it's either station 1 or station 2. Now they skipped 3 and 4, and I know 5 is a bubbler, is a drip irrigation, and number 6 is a drip irrigation. So let's see if number 1 is the right one over here. Nope. See, those are the sprinklers over there. Do you see them? Going. And those are good. And remember the roots that I had right in there? That looks a lot better, doesn't it? It's still, the grass is still going to take a while to grow back over that. I'll put that on my channel. Let's see here. Okay, so I know it's not number 1. Okay, so I don't even mess with the on, off, or the A, B. I'm going to press manual one more time, and now it's on station 2 for 10 minutes. Let's go see what's happening. See if we can be an investigator on what's going on out here, because I know one of these sprinklers, something is not happening right. And it looks like everything's okay. But you see, this one is going so good, it's going right over the top. And there is nothing over here. This one here is slightly clogged a little bit. You see that right there? It's not coming out evenly. And this one over here should jump up and get that over there. So this one, I don't know, it's kind of clogged, not a whole lot. But see, this one here is going so good, it's not hitting right in front of it. That's something. So I know I need to clean 2 of them. Don't need to clean very much of it, and when I shut these off, the water pops, the head pops down, so it's hard to get. And I saw my landscaper maintenance guy, he took something and clipped it on there, and I thought, hey, maybe I can do that with vice grips. I've got some different ones here. We'll try the small ones here. But see, once I shut it off, that pops down, and then it's hard to get back up. Let's just see if I can't get this to stay up. Oh, I'm getting wet. All right. Now that should stay like that. Boy. Okay, so now I'm going to shut this off. So I'm just going to go to station 5, then 6, then off. Okay, so now everything's off. Now I can get down in here and see what to do. I think I can just unscrew this top, and let's get this camera down a little lower for you, shall we? Okay. See, now it's left popped up, and I should be able to unscrew this whole top like that. Okay, that just helps hold this up. Okay, and I'm gonna have to look at this, and one of the little ends in there is probably clogged, so I'm gonna have to get a little screwdriver. I just happen to have a little screwdriver, and I've got a little safety pin, not a safety pin, what is it, paper clip. See there? I'm just going to use that end for it, and I'm not quite sure what I have to do just yet. I'll have to get it in the sun a little bit better and undo the screw a little bit, rinse it out, stick it back on there, and see how it goes. Okay. Now see, here's the top little screw, and I'm gonna loosen that up a little bit, and that's to adjust the flow out. And then there's a little screw out here. There's a little Phillips screw, and I think, I'm not sure, but I think that pulls this whole thing apart. I have not worked on these sprinklers yet. Let's see what happens with that. I think it's undoing the top. Okay. Come on. Oh, look at that. It took the whole thing out. That's that little screw from the front and the back. Huh. Okay, now I can see some goobers in there. I can get that out. And all sprinkler heads are not created equal. There's also this middle that you can turn that and twizzle that. I'm going to get that all clean, put it back on there, and see what happens. Got that pretty well clean. And that's my little filter thing too. I didn't realize this could come out both directions, but hey, it's fine. I used my small Phillips screwdriver, I believe. See, I usually carry a really small Phillips and a bigger one, so I'm always ready. Same thing with my little screwdrivers, a little wider and a little smaller. Never know when I'm going to need it. Now I know I'm going to have to readjust this once I get it up in there. Now see, I have the screw tight, so that tells me that once I put it on there, chances are the water's not going to be flowing at all. Then I'm going to have to take a little screwdriver and start loosening that. In fact, that's going to mean I'm tightening the screw. Okay. From the front side, and then that'll screw that down off of the bottom. Okay, but before I do that, I want to make sure there's nothing in here that's going to clog anything. And so I'm going to turn the water on right now and create a small little geyser. Okay, I'm going to keep you right here. I always like to do that to make sure nothing is in there. And then this is kind of like a little filter type thing. So usually what that means is if there is anything in the line, hopefully it'll get caught right here before it gets up in here and stops up my little sprinkler head. Okay, so now I can just screw it on there. Nice that I had those vice grips, huh?